Starbucks has always been driven by a simple yet powerful goal: to create the perfect cup of coffee. This ambition is not just about brewing a beverage, it's about crafting an experience that resonates with people all over the world. Achieving this goal, however, is no easy task. It involves a meticulous process that starts from the very beginning, with the selection of the highest quality coffee beans. It requires an unwavering commitment to quality, a deep understanding of the coffee-making process, and a passion for delivering an exceptional customer experience. Every barista is trained to master the art of coffee making, ensuring consistency and excellence in every cup. From sourcing the finest beans to roasting them to perfection, Starbucks takes pride in every step of the journey, ensuring that every cup served is a testament to their dedication to excellence. The roasting process is an art form in itself, requiring precision and expertise to bring out the unique flavors of each bean. The pursuit of the perfect cup begins with a fundamental understanding of what makes coffee truly special. It's about the journey from the farm to the cup, and the countless hands that contribute to this process. It's about more than just the caffeine kick. It's about the aroma that fills the air, the rich flavors that dance on the tongue, and the feeling of warmth and satisfaction that comes with every sip. Each cup tells a story of passion, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Starbucks recognizes that coffee is an experience, and they strive to make it an extraordinary one. Whether it's a quiet moment of reflection or a lively conversation with friends, Starbucks aims to make every coffee moment special. The journey of a Starbucks coffee bean is a long and fascinating one, starting from the lush coffee farms scattered across the globe and ending with the satisfying sip of a perfectly brewed cup. It's a journey fueled by passion, expertise, and a commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. Every step of the process is meticulously crafted to ensure that the final product meets Starbucks' high standards of quality and flavor. The journey begins with sourcing the highest quality Arabica beans from select regions known for their exceptional coffee. Starbucks partners with farmers who share their commitment to ethical sourcing and sustainable farming practices, ensuring that every bean is grown with care and respect for the environment and the people who cultivate it. Starbucks sources its beans from some of the most renowned coffee-growing regions in the world, each known for its unique flavor profiles and growing conditions. Among these regions, Colombia, Ethiopia, and Brazil stand out as key players in Starbucks' coffee sourcing strategy. These regions produce beans with distinct characteristics that contribute to the diverse and flavorful blends Starbucks offers. Colombia, nestled in the heart of the Andes Mountains, is famous for its smooth, well-balanced coffees with notes of caramel and nuttiness. The high altitudes, ample rainfall, and volcanic soil create ideal conditions for growing high-quality Arabica beans. Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee, is known for its bright, fruity coffees with floral aromas and hints of citrus. The ancient coffee forests of Ethiopia produce beans with a unique flavor profile that is both exotic and refreshing. Colombian coffee holds a special place in the world of coffee lovers, and for good reason. The unique combination of climate, altitude, and soil in Colombia creates the perfect environment for growing Arabica beans, with exceptional flavor and aroma. Starbucks recognizes the exceptional quality of Colombian coffee and sources a significant portion of its beans from this region. Colombian coffee is known for its smooth, well-balanced flavor profile, often characterized by notes of caramel, nuttiness, and a hint of sweetness. The high altitudes of the Colombian Andes, where most of the coffee is grown, contribute to the bean's density and complexity of flavor. The region's ample rainfall and volcanic soil provide the necessary nutrients for the coffee plants to thrive, resulting in beans with a rich and satisfying taste. Section 5. Ethiopian coffee, ancient origins, unique flavors. Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee, holds a special significance in the world of coffee. It is here, in the ancient coffee forests, that coffee was first discovered and consumed. Ethiopian coffee is renowned for its unique flavor profile characterized by its bright acidity, floral aromas, and hints of citrus and bergamot. Starbucks sources a variety of Ethiopian coffees, each with its own distinct characteristics. One of the most popular Ethiopian coffees offered by Starbucks is Yirgacheffe, known for its delicate floral aroma, bright acidity, and notes of lemon and bergamot. Another popular choice is Sidamo, which boasts a full body, rich flavor, and hints of chocolate and spice. Ethiopian coffees are often enjoyed as single-origin brews, allowing coffee lovers to experience the unique flavors of this special region. Section 6. Brazilian Coffee, a legacy of excellence. Brazil, the world's largest coffee producer, has a long and storied history with coffee cultivation. The country's vast coffee plantations produce a wide variety of coffee beans, from the common Robusta to the more prized Arabica. Starbucks sources a significant portion of its coffee beans from Brazil, recognizing the country's expertise in coffee production and the consistent quality of its beans. Brazilian coffee is known for its heavy body, nutty flavor, and often chocolatey notes. The country's diverse growing regions and varying altitudes contribute to the wide range of flavor profiles found in Brazilian coffees. Starbucks utilizes Brazilian coffee in many of its blends, providing a solid foundation for its signature flavors. Section 7. The Art of Roasting, Unveiling the Flavors. Once the green coffee beans arrive at Starbucks roasting facilities, the real magic begins. Roasting is a crucial step in the coffee-making process, as it transforms the raw, flavorless beans into the aromatic, flavorful coffee we know and love. Starbucks employs a team of expert roasters who carefully monitor the roasting process to ensure each batch of beans reaches its peak flavor potential. The roasting process involves heating the green coffee beans at high temperatures, causing them to change color and release their natural oils and aromas. The duration and temperature of the roast determine the final flavor profile of the coffee. Starbucks uses 3 main roast levels: blonde, medium, and dark. Section 8. Brewing the perfect cup, from espresso to cold brew. The final step in the journey from bean to cup is the brewing process, where the flavors and aromas developed during roasting are extracted to create the perfect cup of coffee. This crucial stage can make or break the coffee experience, as the method of brewing can significantly influence the taste, aroma, and overall enjoyment of the beverage. Starbucks offers a wide array of brewing methods, each designed to highlight different aspects of the coffee's flavor profile. From traditional techniques to innovative approaches, Starbucks ensures that every cup is crafted to perfection, catering to diverse preferences and palates. Espresso, the foundation of many Starbucks beverages, is brewed by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans, resulting in a concentrated shot of coffee with a rich crema on top. This method is known for its intensity and depth of flavor, making it a favorite among coffee enthusiasts. Pour-over methods, such as the Chemex and the Hario 560, involve slowly pouring hot water over a bed of coffee grounds, allowing for a more delicate and nuanced extraction of flavors. These methods are celebrated for their ability to bring out the subtle notes and complexities of the coffee, offering a refined and sophisticated drinking experience. Cold brew, as the name suggests, involves steeping coarsely ground coffee beans in cold water for an extended period, typically 12 to 24 hours, resulting in a smoother, less acidic coffee concentrate. This method is perfect for those who prefer a milder, more refreshing coffee experience, especially during the warmer months. The extended steeping time allows for a unique extraction process, yielding a coffee that is both rich and mellow. Section 9. Savoring the Starbucks Experience. From the moment you step into a Starbucks store, you are greeted with a warm and inviting atmosphere. The familiar green and white logo, the cozy seating arrangements, and the friendly smiles of the staff all contribute to a welcoming environment. From the first sip of your favorite brew to the last drop, every moment is crafted to be a sensory delight. The Starbucks experience is designed to be a sensory delight, engaging not just your taste buds but all your senses. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, inviting you in and making you feel at home. It's a scent that promises comfort and a moment of relaxation. The baristas, with their passion for coffee, are the heart and soul of the Starbucks experience. Their dedication to their craft is evident in every cup they prepare. Their artistry in crafting each drink, from the perfect espresso shot to the intricate latte art, adds a personal touch to your coffee. They are always ready to guide you through the menu, helping you discover new flavors and find your perfect cup. Whether you're a fan of the classic cappuccino or looking to try a seasonal special, the baristas are there to assist you. Starbucks has become more than just a coffee shop. It's a cultural phenomenon, a place where people come together to connect, share stories, and create memories. It's a place to connect with friends, catch up on work, or simply enjoy a quiet moment with your favorite beverage. The ambiance is perfect for both socializing and solitude. Whether you're meeting a friend for a chat, working on your laptop, or enjoying a book, Starbucks provides the perfect setting. The next time you find yourself at Starbucks, take a moment to appreciate the journey your coffee has taken to reach you. Take a moment to appreciate the journey your coffee has taken, from the farms where it was grown, to the skilled hands that prepared it, from the farms where it was grown, carefully tended by farmers who take pride in their work, to the cup in your hand. Every step of the process is a testament to the dedication and passion of everyone involved. It's a testament to the dedication, passion, and artistry that goes into every cup of Starbucks coffee. Each cup is a celebration of the journey from bean to brew, and artistry that goes into every cup of Starbucks coffee. So, the next time you take a sip, remember the story behind it and savor the experience.